What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create social media carousels for free using AI and pre-built templates. So in just a few clicks you're gonna learn the process on how to create the best carousels to engage your followers, your audience. Okay, so let's get this started. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not just internet and sites favor. So let's get this started. First of thing, you're gonna go to Google and type aicarousels.com. We're gonna be into this page right here, okay? And all we have to do now to create amazing carousels like these ones right here, it's click into this button, create carousel. You're gonna be into a page almost like this one, and you can just generate a new carousel. Let me show you. Let's try another one. Okay, this one is great. Let me apply some zoom so we can review. From the left sidebar, we have a couple of options, starting with the template. We have some templates to play with. Okay, we have a couple of templates. Let's choose this one. After this, we have the carousel type. We have LinkedIn, Instagram stories, or TikTok. Okay, so they're gonna resize the styles for you. Then we have the into slider or not, out slider or not, it's up to you as well. Then we have text. You can change the text size for medium to big, for left to center it. We can change the font in the way that we want. We can apply background image in the case that we want. Slider overlays, we can change them in the case that we want. It's up to you. And of course, to every single slider we can customize the content right here. For example, changing the title, the icon, the description, apply some emoji, the swipe element, and we can remove any part of the slider that you want. Okay, applying or removing. Simple, easy, and effective. And of course, you can do the same for the other slider. Can apply some text and image in the case that you prefer, the image only. It's all up to you. Okay, you can create more sliders, and when you have your designer made one by one right here, you can download the carousel. Okay, let's take a free template. And download the slider. Here's the name. The slider is now downloaded. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Of course, they're gonna try to sell you the pro version. In the case that you really enjoy the tool, you can get the pro version, but you can have all the info you need for free. Okay, so it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin to gain free templates on your WordPress website, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or Sites.gallery, a place where you can promote your site, app, or game for free. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our premium themes, templates, assets, plugins, pre-built websites, and many more features. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. All the best!